For this first part of the song, the left and right hands are going to be playing the exact same notes every single time except 1 octave apart. So we really need to focus on a fingering that will allow us to play this part easily. Okay, so I'm going to start with my right hand, and I'm going to look for an F sharp. To find an F sharp, look for 3 black notes in a row, and the leftmost one is the F sharp. So for this song, we want the F sharp that is the 3rd one up from the bottom of the keyboard. Okay. There are several different possible fingerings you can use for this song. I'm going to try to keep it as simple as possible. So I'm going to start with finger 3, that's our middle finger, on this F sharp. Okay, and then we're going to go F sharp with finger 3, to a G with finger 4, to an A with finger 5. Now the F sharp is going to hold for twice as long as the other notes. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, finger 3, 4, 5. Okay, now from there, we're going to play the A again with the pinky, then G, F sharp, E. Coming down with fingers 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so we have F sharp, G, A, G, F sharp, E. And with the finger numbers 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2. And then we're going to go to a D with finger 1, and then an E with finger 2, F sharp with finger 3. The D is going to hold for 2 beats instead of 1. So from the beginning, we have and then we're going to play F sharp again, and then 2 E's. Okay, so we have fingers 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2. Again from the beginning. And then we're going to go back to the F sharp, and again repeat this part until there. And then the next time, instead of F sharp, E, E, we're going to go E, D, D with finger 2 and 1. Okay, so the second time we do this, it's E, D, D with finger 2, 1, 1. Okay, let's do the whole thing so far from the beginning. Okay, with the finger numbers, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. Okay, now from here, we're now going to go to an E with finger 2, and then F sharp with finger 3, and D with finger 1. So it's 2, 3, 1, and then again to the E. This time F sharp with finger 3, G with finger 4, F sharp with finger 3, D with finger 1. So E, F sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, D. Finger 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1. Again from here. And then again, E, F sharp, G, F sharp. This time to an E instead of the D. So the first time it's E, F sharp, G, F sharp, D. And then it's E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E. And then D with finger 1, E with finger 2, A with finger 1. Okay, a little bit of a reach for that A. Okay, so just from the beginning of the second half. Again, with the finger numbers, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, let's do the whole thing so far from the beginning. Now from there, it's essentially going to go back to what we did in the beginning, but there is a little bit of a weird timing as it goes back. So from here, we're going to go to an F sharp with finger 4. Now the timing here is a little weird because there's not going to be a pause, even though it kind of sounds like there should be. It's going to be D, E, A, F sharp. And then it's going to hold that for 2 beats instead of 1. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so after holding this for 2, we're going to switch to finger 3 and then go back up to the G, A. So the timing is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have D, E, A, F sharp, G, A, and then it's going to repeat what we did in the very beginning. So from there, it's going to go. So let's take it one more time from D, E, A. Okay, so we have. So now let's do the whole right hand. Okay, now let's add in the left hand. Again, the left hand's going to play the exact same notes. We're just going to have to work on what the fingers are going to be. And again, I'm going to try to do this in as natural a way as possible. So remember, we're starting the F sharp with finger 3 in our right hand. We're also going to use finger 3 in our left hand. Okay, but the right hand is going finger 3, 4, 5. The left hand will be going finger 3, 2, 1. Up to the thumb, whereas the right hand is going up to the pinky. Okay, so we have. Okay, so the left hand is going 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's play that part. Okay, and then from here, the left hand is going to go finger 4, 3, 3, 4, 4. So let's do that whole part. Okay, and then again. And now the left hand will play finger 4 and 5. So that second half again. So let's do that whole first half again. So from there, remember the right hand is going to be playing the E with finger 2. The left hand will be using finger 4. And the right hand's then going to 3 and 1. So the left hand will do 4, 3, 5. So we have 4, 3, 5, and then 4, 3, 2, 3, 5. So with the right hand. And then again, except this time we're going to go to the E with finger 4 in the left hand, while the right hand is using finger 2. Okay, so from the beginning of that part of the E, so then remember the right hand goes D, E, A, and there's a bit of a reach there with finger 1, 2, 1. With the left hand, we're going to go finger 5, and then I'm going to switch to finger 2 here, a bit of a crunch, so it's easier to get to the A with finger 5. So for this part, we have 1, 2, 1, and with the left hand, we have 5, 2, 5. Okay, so let's do it from the E again. Finger 2, 5. Okay, from the beginning. Okay, now from here, remember that we're going to go up to the F sharp with finger 4 in the right hand, and we'll use finger 2 in the left hand. So we have no pause there, even though it sounds like there should be one. There's no pause. And we hold for an extra beat. Okay, then after we play that F sharp, with finger 2 in the left hand and 4 in the right hand, we're going to switch both of them to finger 3, and we're going to play the beginning again. Okay, so let's just do it from this part. Okay, so we have... Finally, let's play the whole thing together.